Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix GPS lost on Android, or if at all your GPS signal has been lost. Now first off guys, if at all you're tracking or you're using Google Maps, you'll need GPS signal. Now if at all your GPS signal is not right or it's kind of getting lost, quick fix for this is to turn on the Wi-Fi. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi, it will obviously boost your GPS signal because the GPS itself uses the Wi-Fi to kind of determine where you're located. Now once you turn on the Wi-Fi, just come and tap on the GPS itself, then it will obviously open up settings. Once it opens up settings, you will come over here and see all, and then come back and then choose application permission. After that, make sure that permissions are all turned on. For my case, you can see I've given it permissions to access. So basically that's it guys. Subscribe.